Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hey guys, do you love pizza as much as I do? Well, today we're going to learn about fractions using a giant, cheesy, ooey, gooey, tasty, yum. Yummy pizza. Let's go. Hi, I'm Noah, and I just made a huge, yummy pizza, and I want to share it with my family. Here are my family members, and I want everyone to get an equal slice. Let's count how many people there are in total. That's 8 people sharing one whole pizza. Now, how do we make sure everyone gets the same amount? We cut the pizza into 8 slices, one for each person. Now, let's see what fraction of the pizza each person gets. Each person gets 1 slice out of 8 total slices. That means each slice is 1/8 of the pizza. We write it like this. The top number 1 is called the numerator. It shows how many slices one person gets. Try saying numerator. Awesome job! The bottom number 8 is the denominator. It tells us the total number of slices in the whole pizza. Try saying denominator. Nice. Yum. Everyone gets an equal share. And now we know that fractions are a way to show equal parts of a whole, just like sharing a pizza. Let's review. Fractions show equal parts of a whole when we share one whole pizza with 8 people. Each person gets 1/8 of the pizza. The numerator is the number of parts we are working with out of a whole. It is the top number in a fraction. Today, we were working with 1 slice of pizza, so our numerator was 1. The denominator is the total number of parts. It is the bottom number in a fraction. Today, we had 8 total slices of pizza to share, so our denominator was 8. Great job, everyone! Next time you share a pizza, you can think about fractions too. See you next time for more fun with Busy Hoodie Math.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.